bag of white clay today. So the goal today is to hit, there's a little downhill part. We're at the Possum Hill Park parking lot. And then immediately once we get to the bottom, we're gonna bang our right and we're gonna go to the Mason-Dixon line monument. It's like a post from the Mason-Dixon line. So that's gonna be step one. But this is her first time on this little downhill. Super fun. Let's go. All right, it's through here.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
This is where you went last time?
Yep. There we are. See how quick it was?
Oh my.
That's how I was like, I think we went too far. All right, so we made it to the post.
Woohoo!
Mason-Dixon line post. It says this post used as the base point in the survey of the Mason-Dixon line, 1763, 1767. And here's the wife. And here's her Trek Marlin 6 with the fresh new fenders.
On 'em. What?
We look the part. We don't know what the hell we're doing. All right, so we're gonna keep going and figure out where we're heading.
Yep.
We have no idea. We're just gonna explore.
We're gonna explore.
Explore. All right, see you at the next stop. Yeah.
I had my first chain fall off, stick in the spoke.
Technical term.
We had to.
Yeah, it just
Puppy
came.
had to turn around
Yes.
and fix it.
I was all the way up this hill, and for me that's a big deal because she's the fitness instructor. I'm the cubicle dweller. All right, here we go. I'm not trying to race up these hills today. I'm just trying to be a little more. Climbing. We climbing. Yeah, my quads are burning. We did some yard work yesterday. Oh man. Whew. All right, so we made it to the top of this climb and we are at the Bryan's Field Trail, kind of trailhead right here. So my first ride here when I was with the Marlin 6, got some bikes. You're good, nobody after us. There goes some guys enjoying the downhill.
You had a pretty cool helmet.
Yeah. Well, what I was saying, it's all good. Here's another one.
Hi.
Sorry. They went left.
Yep.
Yeah, you're welcome. When I had the Marlin 6, I came from this way, all the way down, and then I went down this trail, I believe, and that's where I came to the bench, where I took a seat, was enjoying some nature, and I actually had to walk the bike down a couple of the features because this guy wasn't ready yet. So we're gonna see what we do today.
Riding on Bryan's Field cutoff.
Yep. All right, here we go. Hey, hey. Yeah, I think I walked down that part. Yeah, all right, so we're at the Bryan's Field Trail connector where the Skills Trail's up there. We're gonna go this way, across Whiteley Farms, hit up the farmhouse, maybe take some more pictures. It's uphill to the farmhouse. Yeah, good times.
Yeah.
Ready?
Beautiful day.
Gorgeous day. Dropping. Go right up. Get some speed, go up. Wow, I made it. Whew. Yep, and it's just slightly uphill all the way there. All right. So up here, you'll see a secondary fork, a little single track to the right. You'll see it. Take that, and it's a little shortcut. Whew. See it? Yeah, take that. There we go. I didn't see that the first time, and I took the scenic route. So here's where I took pictures.
You stopped here?
Yeah. All right, so we're stopped back at the farmhouse. You might remember this from my Marlin video. Could be a combination of the bike and my fitness level getting better. I mean, we're tired, but not nearly as much the first time I came here. So it's a good sign. Whew. We're having fun though.
Definitely.
You still having fun?
Yes.
All right.
I just wish my legs weren't smashed from yesterday.
We did some yard work yesterday.
A lot of yard work. And I taught classes.
A lot of yard work. She taught some classes.
So it's a bit much today, but I really like the route we've taken so far.
Yeah, there
nice,
was
flowy, with some climbs, which I do like, but yeah.
there was some tech in there too that was a little little sketchy. Is it almost time for snacks?
Not yet.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
She's killing me, Smalls. All right, so we're gonna get ready to go in a minute. We're gonna go up this. We're not gonna follow this trail last time because that took me in the middle of the field, and I don't even think it was a trail. But we made. Oh, I know. I remember why. As you can see, this little, I guess it's a retention pond or whatever it is. I wanted to check out the water, and then I saw an entrance, so I was like, "Ooh, I can cut it back." But no, I want to see where this goes, more into the field. We might be putting in some miles today, but I think it's all going to be like some farmland, single track.
All right, whatever.
So it'll be fun. All right, here we go. I think I just showed you on mine, maybe. I don't know.
All right, now what's
I have no idea. Straight across. Probably more trail. What? No, keep going. Yeah. Hey. Thanks, guys. All right, we go again. Good job, babe. Hey. Hey, what's up, Becca? How's Becca? I'm going your tent. Ah! Jump, jump, jump. Woo! Yeah, keep going. This is the fun one. Here's a little feature you can hit on the right. Woo! Yes, I did. I got all the way behind the seat too. You don't feel like you're going over the bars? Yeah, that's where the dropper comes in. My butt was over the back tire. Nice, babe, I'm proud of you. Yep. You come, you come. No, no, here comes a biker.
Woo!
Thank you.
You earned that downhill.
Yeah, you did.
Huh? All right. We had some fun downhills. We looped back to the parking lot on the gravel trail, and we're gonna hit this little feature.
I did it already.
Oh, she rode up it. She didn't ride down it. All right, we're gonna try it out. She's about to go. Dropping in. Yeah, nice. You okay? One more after me.
We made it
Woo!
further than last time.
Woo! Yes, we did. Woo! What time is it?
Snack time.
It's time for snacks.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
We got this.
I would like to personally thank the Delaware Trail Spinners for putting this bench here.
Trail
so that
spinners.
I can sit my butt down and have a snack.
Thank you guys for maintaining these trails.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
in this beautiful scene.
It's good stuff.
Good choice for a bench. It's gorgeous.
First of all, look at this view. You can't really tell. It goes down pretty good. Look how gorgeous. There's more trail that way. This is the furthest we've been this way. I know I'm sucking wind, but fitness is getting better.
Yeah, you made it further than we did the last time up this hill.
Good stuff.
Yep.
But at this point, I'm gonna get some water and get some snacks. We'll check in. How's your fenders doing? Good? Good.
It's hard to tell, but yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna stop at that little bridge.
For what? Oh, to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you got to upshift a couple times. Sorry. Yeah. You stopping?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Just us, guys. Thank you. Whew. That tail end, I'm so tired. Whew. Woo-hoo. Good job. Wow. Whew. Holy smoly. Yeah. What a gorgeous day for riding. It's fun. Look at her Marlin 6, her M6. Look at her mud guards. We're about to get some P&W loam turquoise grips. We might do the same thing for the pedals. A little splash of color. Yippers. Good times.
It was.
So,
I like this course a lot.
yeah, we did some sightseeing, some fast parts. Can't even talk without spitting. Some fast parts, some climbs,
Some climbs.
but we did it. We didn't stop on any climb, except one time your chain came off, but that was no big deal. You just pop it right back on. But neither one of us had to stop in the middle of a climb. That's progress. That's good stuff. That means we're only getting better. I didn't feel real sketchy on any downhills. Well,
I mean, you're getting better.
she's a rock star. I did follow Kim. Super fun. All right, so thank you guys for watching again. Watch the next one and enjoy the ride. Whoop, whoop.